Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. Today we are going to learn how to display list of opportunity record in Lightning Aura component. Here I am already displaying list of opportunity record in Aura component. So first we need to follow all of the steps that is provided by w3wave.net. So you need to go w3wave.net. I will give you URL link in the part of description. First, we need to create a Lightning Aura component. Step 1. Step 2, we need to create a JavaScript controller. Step 3, we need to create a Lightning JavaScript helper. Step 4, we need to create Apex class controller. And final, step 5, we need to create Lightning application. So let's get started. First, we need to create a Lightning Aura component. So simply copy this code, create a Lightning Aura component I already created in Salesforce and paste here. After that, go to the second step. Second step, we need to create a JavaScript controller. In the JavaScript controller, simply copy this code and paste the JavaScript controller file. I already created, so only I paste the code. After that, we need to create JavaScript helper file. So first, need to copy the helper file, paste in the helper file. After that, step 4, we need to create a Apex class controller. Apex class controller, create a Apex class code and paste in the file. After that, step 5, we need to create a Lightning application. In the Lightning application, copy the code and paste the application. After all of the code, saving all of the code. After saving all of the code, we need to preview on browser. Here we will get list of opportunity record. So what I do it is really simple. I define attribute of opportunity record. I define a init function, and here I am iterating the code. This is the name of the field. This is a doInit function. In the doInit function, we need pass the method name of Apex class. This is a method name. This method name I am passing the action variable, and this is a application. So after follow all of the steps, we will get list of opportunity record same like this. Thank you so much.